Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, good afternoon. Back to me, I'm Nabila from Program Study Biology. Today, I will bring you about guava tree or guava plants. Indonesia is a country that has various types of plants ranging from fruit to vegetables. I will briefly explain about the fruit. This is much favored by the people of Indonesia, especially me, uh, which has a variety of properties ranging from fruit to leaves. This name is guava, or Indonesian is called it jambu biji or jambu klutuk. Guava is a plant in the kingdom Plantae and includes seed plants. Guava is tropical plant originating from Brazil, spread to Indonesia via Thailand. Guava has green fruit with white or red flesh and has a sweet sour taste. Guava fruit is known to contain lots of vitamin C. And to find out more details about the guava plants, let's discuss starting from the morphology. Is number one is root. The root of the guava plants are branched with a long tapered shape and will grow straight into the ground in general. The root morphology guava plant has a light brown to dark color. The root of this guava have benefits that can support the plant so that it can become stronger. It can even absorb water or food that is in the depths of the soil. 2. The stem of this guava is hard and elongated and has a smooth and slippery surface. The stem of the guava plant is round, accompanied by a diameter of about 10 to 20 cm or more, and only depends on the variety and type. The stem of the guava plants have very short segments and are accompanied by many branches in the stem of this guava plant. 3 is leaves. Single leaf located opposite, short, stemmed leaves that look young with fine hair, and the upper surface of the leaves looks old and slippery. However, the leaves of this guava are one of the incomplete leaves. This is because the leaves only have petioles or stems and lamina or sheaths, which are usually referred to as slim leaves. The white pan of the guava leaf is in the middle and has an oblong shape. Fall leaves have a backbone that stretches from the base to the tip of the leaf. The tip of the guava leaf is blunt. Even the guava leaves at the top will look greener than the leaves at the bottom, with a cylindrical shape, stalk, and not thickened at the stem. For flowers, in general, the flowers of this guava have a white reddish color and are accompanied by two crowns that have 5 to 4 petals in one crown that remain the same. 5. Fruit and seeds. The fruit of this guava plant has a round texture this guava fruit is quite tight when the fruit is tight, and the fruit of course has a pink color. Meanwhile, the seeds of the guava are quite a lot and are scattered in the middle of the guava fruit. The seeds are quite hard and slightly brownish yellow. In one guava fruit weighs about 45 grams, contains 37 calories and the following nutrients: 1.4 grams of protein, 2.97 grams of fiber, 90.90 milligrams of calcium, 12 milligrams of magnesium, 220 milligrams of potassium, 125 milligrams of vitamin C. Guava can be enjoyed almost all year round. The fruit will enter its bountiful season in February and March, and will continue to bear less fruit April to January. Many food experts recommend consuming guava, not to mention the guava seeds. The trick guava seeds can be eaten by chewing or swallowing directly. You can crush the seeds in smoothies or juice. You can also sprinkle it on top of ice cream or guava salad that you make for a crunchy texture. In addition to the fruit is that is so delicious to eat, there are benefits of guava for health. Here's a full explanation. Number one is preventing dengue fever. Guava leaves are believed to prevent dengue, hemorrhagic fever, or DHF. Water decoction of guava leaves is often used for herbal treatment of patients with dengue fever. The boiled water is believed to be able to minimize the rise of bleeding while increasing C platelets in the body. Lowering high blood. One of the benefits of guava is that it is believed to be able to lower high blood pressure. People with hypertension will usually consume this fruit regularly. In a study method, guava contains vitamin C and is rich in fiber, so when you eat guava can lower bad cholesterol and lower blood pressure. Relieve flu and cough. The content of vitamin C in guava can help relieve cold and cough. Vitamin C is an antioxidant and can fight bacteria. Therefore, this content will help break down mucus while eliminating bacteria, the respiratory system, and throat. 4. Smooth digestion and relief. Stomach pain or diarrhea. The high fiber containing guava is believed to be effective in launching the digestive system while preventing constipation. The content of guava can determine which germs are good and not in the digestive tract. Not only that, guava is also believed to be able to reduce stomach pain and diarrhea. Maintain regular heart rate. Guava also contains potassium, which can function to increase the regularity of the heart rate, activate muscle contraction, regulate the delivery of nutrients to the body cells, and reduce total cholesterol levels and high blood pressure or hypertension. Maintain the immune system to prevent cancer. In guava, also found lycopene, which is a carotenoid substance, important pigment in plants, which has antioxidant activity to fight cancer. guava, which contains a lot of lycopene, especially guava, which has a red flesh. Guava nutrient content in one guava fruit. Explanation about guava plants. Hope you like it. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.